Howdy. Hey people, welcome to the Courtney Shelby Show.
Hi.
Hey. We're eating monkey bread! I don't want that much. Oh, okay.
Good burn on
That was my dog. Shut up! Monkey bread is this little round cake that's kind of like Angel food cake. And it has some little stuff on it, but Courtney ate most of it. Hi. Oh, hold on, wait. No. What Shelby and I are going to do now, well, on our next episode, what show, we are going to ask you who would make a better president, her or me. Yeah. Uh-huh. Before we end the show, though, I want to show you what someone gave me for Halloween. Rocks? No, not rocks, Courtney. Oh, that's right. So much better. Walnuts! What's that? Oh, I got that from the baby shop. Oh. But walnuts! Look at all these walnuts people gave me. And a Hershey Kiss. Neapolitan. Mmm. Yeah. You want to eat your cocoa? Yeah. So on the next episode, we'll decide who makes a better president. Me, of course. Or her. Me. Because I have cool little sunglasses. Should I have a V8? Oh. Should I have a V8? Oh. How was your Veterinarian's Day? Veterinarian's Day was yesterday. Ah! Okay. I'm back. Veterinarian's Day. Veterans. Below, write if you think it's veterans or veterinarians. Or what you think sounds better. No! Okay, it's all good. That was the Courtney Shelby Show. Hope you enjoyed it. Or flushed it down the toilet. No, I'm just kidding.